All right, welcome to 2023. And if it's your first time to the channel, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and all the rest of good things and share the video up. Boom.
Yeah, my boss.
Your father, man, why you give this a quick wash off for me? You hear
Yeah,
that?
man, no worry yourself now. Every start out, man. Best place to come. Yes, sir.
Alright,
Best
that
place
is.
to come, man. We can't leave the key anywhere, right?
Yes, man, anyway, man.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
I don't like leave the key there. Yeah.
Hey, what me?
Why, yes, I want me. What going, baby? All right.
What you mean by what go on, baby? Look how long you give me the 3 grand. That done long time. Look how long the 3 grand done.
Manda.
Hello,
Tell
I'm
me.
not name Manda again. I'm Mali my name. Come, what you
What?
talk to me? What you mean by him? Right now I'm a frost out. Look how long, man. I'm alone with the youth, you know.
Hear me now. Hear me now. From morning, it's
Can't
just,
bother.
hold on, man. From morning, just one car come in, and thing. I'm done get 3,000 already. So I can't do this with my
You
baby.
can't see no pitney. You not maintain the youth, yeah.
What do you mean?
What you mean by? Come on, my pitney. Come on, I'm gonna name Manda here, Mali.
I want to.
You know,
Amanda, I know yours, you know.
what you mean by you have to learn to maintain a pitney? Don't
Yo.
hey,
I saw you take it.
leave me alone here. I'm me alone I feed my pitney.
I can't believe you. I saw you really make it things sound. It's alright, man. Ali, baby, I love you, yeah?
Father, what going?
Man, rough now, Gideon, bro. Believe me.
Chano. See your baby mother come check your boss. So lady, do you know G?
Brother, I tell you, say, you man just can't understand the circumstances. Are you the first person driving from there? You know?
Chano.
First person, I guess I first camera there I wash. And you also want 3,000 from me.
See it, man, because you know, some sit down over here, so I've been watch your car still, and I see how you operate still like the stress the part, you know.
Brother, rough.
But you have to just go through it and know say a life still, you know? And
I
don't
say
make
go,
certain
say
thing bring you down, you know?
Respect our man.
Yes, man.
Yo, a few things sound done still, you know.
Yeah,
See?
man.
So give me about 5 more minutes and everything ready.
Alright.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Alright.
give you two still now, because I want to go up on a mouse.
Alright, man. Me hurry right now. Me hurry right now. Yeah, man.
Alright.
Me hurry up and get.
My brother! Where you gone? Bro! I'll go down.
Maybe I play 2 games and rest my brain. Yeah.
So you look so stressed out, my youth. How happened?
I'm stressed out if nothing I work out certain way, man.
How again? Me can't bother, you know.
Yeah, man, the baby man, I can't bother the man to stress me out, star. The baby man, yo, what I don't know.
Calm down.
It's like, say, you know, understand, say, yo, you know, understand, say, things now work the way how it work. I try my best. Me not nothing wrong, me not thief, me not kill, me not look that way there. But you know what? Enough said about this, baby mother drama, you know, because she not understand, you know. Because only thing she want is money. And she don't understand so me need to open her business because I want life better for my youth. Me don't want just try so. You understand me? I say, and the woman just not understand. As myself done that. Really and truly, I want to open her business. I want to start something. I have my license, you know. You understand me? I say, me can drive taxi or, you know what I mean, just dip on the road because right now, I feel me part that. Me not do nothing wrong. I want to do the business. Where is the candy? Waiting for you.
The Juta one would have better.
Truth and not true.
Yeah, man. Make more money on it.
But we are talking about the truth, but we don't have the money to buy no bus.
Why? We have to plan to borrow some money from either bank or somewhere, somebody.
Bank now give me no money. Give me no money because me not have nothing situated right
All
now.
that, all that tonight.
Yeah, because I can't watch business now work out, you know. Me tired, me done with it. And them blister up. And the people them now understand say he can't wash as he come in. He can't come in so if he come out.
I know money no
Eh?
spam. They make for wash car.
I tell you. So it's rough for me on both hands because if my big man will understand certain things I want to work with me, you know, in regards to getting a business so we can at least make life better.
But me no want say any money you get, you always give her more side.
But
Only thing you know say I want good baby father and tree and my brother, you know. The only money me always see with you know is your fear to go back to work or watch people dirty car. So when she come out again, she can't satisfy her, she go look at work too. The two of you, if the two of you work and take care of pitney better. But she depend on you alone. You know what you have to do? Carry her coat and take your pitney.
Can't go to court.
Take your pitney, you can't just take it from him so.
Me not kind of man there if can't woman go and court over pitney. Me just go and do me have to do but me know so God go bless me. Some way, some way.
No, still not like, you know, God know, bro. But I really love feeling you want money, you know. But me not have it, you know. Me have a little thing where me can give you one little part out of it still, but that still can't do nothing to you. If a business you go do that, just can buy your juice. So it don't make no sense. Right now, me this.
I know that's something. Yo, wait a sec, buy some lotto. I try lotto, you know.
Me always buy lotto, you know. Win or lose, me still go buy. Me not have try until me catch it. Me have to catch it. Remember me tell you.
I try lotto.
Why?
No.
Bro, one day we must come out of sufferation.
True.
We're not going to suffer forever.
I forget that same one. Bush. Hello?
Hey, cuz, how you doing?
Sherlan? If I don't say remember the number, yeah, man.
Yeah. You know, sir, my day Jamaica, we come in yesterday.
Where say the Jamaica? Oh, yeah, tell me, say.
Yeah. So, you and Candy can come down. Me book a day pass for the 2 hours now.
Oh, you mean, man, would I love to come up to some man?
My day they hire at Ziva, but make sure say you bring government issue ID because you have to leave it at the gate.
Carry identification. Yeah, me, you know, yeah. All right, no problem. Me will tell Candy. All right, so me say day pass, no problem, man. We are forwarding.
So once you come, you know, you tell them the name and you come in and we will meet in the lobby. All right? Okay. All right. Looking forward to see you too. All right. Bye.
Yeah, boss, right have your pass, bye. Right. All right, so if you're 2 bills, right? Respect your boss. Yeah, man, give that. Yeah, man, manners and respect. Yes, sir. Candy!
How that?
I miss how that.
Me a
You
come
love say
there
how
with
that
a friend
thing,
me
man?
so early in the morning.
But you love say, what?
Watch ya.
Where you go, sir? I'll not boot. Eh?
Sav me did I go buy something. I may have some other ends to go, you know, run today.
Want to chat to you? Want
What
to chat
what?
to you? You mean say what?
Come in, man. It's on too hot. Come in.
All right. Yeah, tell me which number. Of course, me I come here.
No, but
You come go on so nice. Don't go on nice to me like me a nice money, man.
all right.
But you want go on?
Hold on there. So where you say you they go? I know you not tell me where you are going, no? How?
No, Sherlan call me. Remember Sherlan?
They almost forgot my
Full
cousin.
cousin.
You idiot.
Yeah. Call me, say she there Jamaica.
This is Jamaica, yeah?
This is Jamaica, yeah. But you what the sweet part about it. See? She said she there hotel.
Aye.
Yeah, man, she there hotel and she has said to me, say, boy, if me can forward. But also, you know, she has said, check for you. So me I come check for you. So the two we can.
So, are the two of you go up there?
Yeah, man, the two we
Me
can.
and you?
Me and you got hotel.
Go look for we cousin. Jesus Christ! We can't wait!
Hotel there!
I like.
Give them some food.
You know how long me no go one hotel?
Let me tell you.
Like when me go this one, me name something in the belly. Run, watch.
No bother with the heap
No,
of extra
shit,
shit.
man.
We're ready right now. You ready already still? I'm ready already. So guess what
Where
we're...
I go and serve?
Exactly.
Hotel free.
Because you know, first thing I have to go do, I got borrow the bus from Richie. See? Because I never borrow the bus from him. Only thing we might have to do, I put my like 2,000 I guess night and then we move out. You good with that?
Yeah, man.
You sure?
All
All
right.
right.
Man, me now better go and serve your mad hotel.
What time now? We need to reach early because day pass. Hey, enough food. I don't want to look enough food. You got damn thing.
First snack more hotel, you know?
I meet up.
You want enough shrimp. Shrimp and lobster.
I wonder if I try and get a towel and then sitting there.
Yeah?
We yard. And tissue. What do you think? Eh.
No, sir, we don't want it to look so bad. We don't want to taste your from here.
So when we eat, can I sit when I have calic?
Remember, say a chicken really say heat, so better we can some shrimp and some lobster.
Sister, my belly will hurt me, you know. You know, some belly easy to hurt me already.
Sometimes you fish it up yourself. How do you? I'm running belly and do nothing.
So we say we are do.
Right now, I can't wait to go in there to go eat.
That's why I walk too slow for.
Me hungry, I can't walk fast. I want to drop down and dead.
You man understand, you know, you say hungry and then you walk slow.
Yep.
But they look nice, you know?
I can't wait to go in there. I can drink champagne. I go drink tequila.
ID, yeah, man. What?
Ready?
Ready? I won't get hungry. Which one? Hold on. Cuz, which place say there? Yeah, they're close to the piano. One red piano, one big old red piano, like a. When Alright, we are come. Until. Long time to see you.
Yes.
My God. Yes. She look good, not you? She look good, not you? So, the food.
And everything. Oh, yeah. Cheers, yeah. But we
Cheers,
on a
man.
long
Life,
drive,
long
so-
life.
Oh, God. I don't know. Cheers.
Oh, my goodness. Yeah.
One more shot again.
Oh, my goodness.
It's good, eh?
Yeah, it's so good to see you guys. Oh, my goodness. How is everybody?
Wait,
Is that full food?
Oh, you guys can have a seat.
I did that dead film with my cousin.
Yeah, me don't know one, so me just order,
Had God seen me in Jamaica, you know.
Oh, what you say?
Lord have mercy.
Yeah,
It's good,
man.
man. It's
So
good.
whatever you want.
Am I play this?
Yeah.
That's my plate is off
No,
here.
man. I feel him for
I
you
feel
over
it,
there,
sir.
so man. Take for you.
Yeah, I was just here.
And me don't know no one, so no eat and then.
So, oh, she have more sitting in her for your plate. I thought thank you so much.
I want
So
to see your
nice.
plate.
So because our Wagwan her country, because me hear all kind of stuff, me watch the news and people talk the crime and so me kind of afraid. That's why me book here instead of just come straight to country. How the rest of family them and so.
Yeah, put it in.
Make it stay up there, cause when me I eat me crave money we drop. Anyway, let me take it off. You just Mr. You at me face, you like going away with you. Cause country nice, nobody no dead. Don't watch the crime and the violence we are going in at the place. A whole heap of tourists come over here. I not nothing to them. Some people just talk too much. Me not say, no killing never go on in a Jamaica, but killing go on everywhere in the world. Then just make Jamaica look like it the worst. And Jamaica paradise, we won't go on love in our heart and money to spend. Me glad you come and see. Actually, because yes, my cousin, say a long time see we. And he knows me fighting for food,
Man, not fight yourself.
But me not do it because me don't want the people them looking here and you go look bad.
Yeah.
I want if you come back again and me get you more food, make it take it. Take it, man.
Alright, enjoy yourself, man. When you finish, we go down on the beach, we can go swim. You have the swim up bar, the pool, whatever you want. We really, really enjoy it and I look forward for it long time. Say, my two favorite cousin. I wish me could have bring everybody else, but me can't because, me have to pay for the day pass.
Cause I'm glad say I told you alone to carry. Because if you carry Django, remember Django love drink and go on the most way. Ooh, like this I done long time. But cause I can't talk to you.
Yeah, man.
I want to say something personal to you. Sis, let's go around some. I know for your time now. We soon talk to you. But so when we talk certain things we don't want you. You understand? I feel more
Because you know somebody did have something to tell you, but you just know. That me not like you the entire me go no way.
first.
Cause where did say just a while? The two of you did your favorite cousin?
Yeah, man.
I lie. And you know, so when time we did much younger, I never like you. I hate you, see?
We never like it either, but we grow up now, so
You never like me either?
no, man.
So the two we never like one another.
No.
No, me love you. You love me now?
Of course. That's why I'm my favorite.
And what?
Man, we're gonna talk now, we're gonna talk now. You feel glad say now watch play today. One to you. One man, you just want to talk to him. Take up a plate and go on.
Go and go hang with your bangle, cause me, you will get your turn, cause me and you will talk one away. See a sign time from we little.
Yeah, cousin. Why? Thank you for carry tour from our hotel a day pass. It's very appreciated, man. Appreciate it. But you know what? Me have one business I want to start. I don't know if you can help me with some little it's an idea I want to bring to pass. More either do taxi business or more of sell boat and hack and them something and raise and thing. But me feel say if you can help me to start a business, it can be more profitable for me and even she too. So she and them over there so we can actually, make life look a bit better. So I don't know if you can help me to start. So what you say?
Boy, first me, I tell you the truth, Me wish me could have helped, but say, we save up over a year just to come to this. And the only thing, the best me can do, like me say, one of my favorite cousin, the two of So the day pass is the only thing me can do now. Me not have it like that, Me wish me could have helped right now, but me not have it like that. So me sorry, but maybe when we go back by the grace of God, life spare, me will see. Me not make no promise, because, like me say, me not have it like that.
Okay.
But me will see when we go
Return.
back over and get situated and see how things go, what me can do. So me can't make no promise because me no want promise you.
Because I don't know some positive at all, like you go work out.
No, but because, why, may I tell you, like me say, me not have enough.
Well, I'm not cut it, but about how much you spend to get you over here?
50,000 I spent for the phone.
50,000?
Yeah, man.
What cost of 50,000?
Over 50,000 for the 2 hour.
I could have started business, you know. I could have either started a hot business or put towards, getting the vehicle. 50,000?
Yeah, but you come here and you should have told me that before me come because all you I think out of your belly. If you did tell me before, then we wouldn't invite you, me would have sent the money, couldn't give you.
Well, cause believe me, I'm a belly, me not think about before. Me never really think about it something because me so excited. I'm so excited about the place and thing. But since we start eating the food, we start thinking about the business. But anyway, it is what it is. You enjoy yourself? You see that rooming? Expensive, top shelf.
Hey, you know, tell no lie, me enjoy myself, but
You enjoy yourself?
what?
I be a cake, me see and boy enjoy yourself.
I wish my belly could have hold more. Me
I
see too
be
much food up here.
I be a cake, me see I eat one big one. Where you eat a big whole plate of cake for? Warm to the food them.
You know,
Something wrong with you?
see, you know, some me not used to enough food already. Now me see me have to make you sweet. No rampant.
No,
So,
come on, no hurry up and come, no man, no spend long enough time. Me didn't forget you early, you no come late, a time for no go. You know, and then show no five property.
All right. So we have to leave you now?
Yes.
All right, thank you still,
You see,
cuz.
me telling you if you come from early this morning.
Thank you, cuz.
Mhm. So, them,
Every whisper is a lie.
You're too fast, so that me not like with you.
Every whisper is a lie.
all right, listen, when you go in and no car for leave, no fight outside, no fight here. Me no want to throw you and no overstay, no welcome. Me
We
tell
not
you,
fight.
so if you come early this morning, yes, a time for no go and things. So look here, we no fi stay so long. Again, no keep, no can call me too,
Because you know, say, my sister the time when they going on. But the way the place nice, you know, some name, but I want to go my yard, you know.
I be a cake shy eat nice
Yeah, me
place.
did want to stay up here and name till I can name them right. I wish my belly were bigger.
I change face like a cake.
I go for my bag.
Remember someone talk about?
yeah, man, me will see how that go when me go there. So, all right, on you drive safe,
Yeah,
all right?
all right, later.
Yeah, all right.
Come back. Cuz,
I did it.
I see I wash down a whip here.
Just there, I go and so I can clean it off, you know. Yeah, I did it.
Why no long one
Yeah,
buy
man.
something, man? Really and truly, you know. It's
Mm.
a business more start up.
Yeah,
See, more
yeah.
something more either sell hog or, you know what I mean, farming or
Yeah, I
something
know them
or
way, that
taxi
man.
or
For
something.
real, man.
So you really come check about.
Mm.
You know the money we can help me to start a business.
Boy, John, no. You know, so to be honest with you, cause right now I'm not too depend nothing right now, but guess what go on, you know, so next week Wednesday I'm collect a decent piece of food, brother. Yeah, next week Wednesday, so I maybe if I can go and bleach till next week Wednesday.
Brother, you well, me depend on you know.
Yeah.
You know, so me check cousin Sherland
Mm.
up a Mobile. You
Mm.
understand? Yeah man, so me can go up a place to go check you know, Sherland.
Mm.
Cause she went up a Mobile, up a hotel.
Sherland?
Yeah man.
Sherland come from foreign?
Yeah man, she there man. But
Gotcha.
yeah, but here we go on. It's a quick thing she want to do and she just call with sudden and say, yo, no come up here because she at hotel and she want to just, you know what I mean, enjoy herself a bit.
So
You know
yo,
what I mean?
so you never come call me and link me and make we even drive go to go like one vibes and thing that. Can't believe
listen,
that.
man, basically I just want quick thing because when she shot me, you know, not when plan for go, you know, and then I just have to just move off and I just call she because she's a caller one day and we just move out. Yeah man, so me really I tell her because me check her and she said nothing can go on, no food now, run certain way. You know what I mean? So she tell me say, yo, me fi just go on easy. And I say, alright, cool.
Brother, them people they feel help you because they sit down for a nice piece of food. You know, so them people that have them piece of money. As farmer, them fear stretch out them money and I give sit now make you feel good for go do your look at business, brother.
You tell me that, brother. Tell me say nothing can go on.
Sure.
But here you know, me depend on you know. So it's a Wednesday.
Yeah man, next week when them forget piece of food, so just call me and then we keep a link and then me gonna make you get piece of food.
Yeah, but today is Saturday, you thought this a Wednesday
Yeah
I
man,
come
this Wednesday.
or next Wednesday?
No man,
Because
this Wednesday.
come this a Wednesday, yes, this different Wednesday.
No man, cause man, no man.
Sure.
This a Wednesday, yeah man.
Because yo, me tell you, yo, me love your vehicle still, you know. You know what I mean?
Boy,
I want a vehicle like this.
dirty I'm there,
Oh,
drive
yourself
clean
right
it
now,
off
me
and
not
thing.
hey, me not roll with this a dirty like a bus, just to have something. You know what I mean?
Glad to see you still,
Brother,
big up
it's
yourself.
hard, but before me I come from because yo, walk you not easy, you know. Wednesday.
Yeah man.
Alright, manners and respect. Yes, sir.
Yeah man.
Alright, yo, big up, man, to me now.
Big up
See?
yourself.
Alright, my brother, cool.
Blessings and
That dog, yeah, man.
I can't be all believe this. Man, I'll come and check me for money and everything. Bad man.
Yeah, cuz. Bush Cash.
Where are you dealing?
I'm there, my brother. I'm there, all the time, I'm there. Yo, how things, man?
Boy, I'm there, no daddy. Still not see right. Me know say, I think you call me about, but boy, man, I tell you, brother. Then I know say people them style me what man. Big and serious, they go one thing, people them style me, brother. I come like somebody even can't deal with the piece of food I'm saying I deal, brother. People them style the thing.
Seriously?
Yeah, my brother. John, man, I tell you, say them style the thing, God.
So, alright, when you say style the thing, hold on, when you say style the thing, you mean say, me can get it tomorrow or Friday?
Brother, man, I tell you, say, boy, I'm not even know that, you know, have it. I not think you can get it tomorrow or Friday. Style the thing. You see me, I say, brother, no, I'm not telling no lie. Style the thing, so the piece of food if it come in a drop, so we can't go do what we do on it. Look at chumps, so I have to do business and done, you see, food money.
So you say everything just is a blank?
Yeah, man, brother, I'm sorry about that, boy, man. I tell you, say, yo, we can't stretch a piece of food. So, we never do it. You see, I'm sorry about that. You see, brother, you know, we still.
Alright.
When I sit dropping on me and me, and tomorrow, or this.
Alright, my boss. Respect our manners, yeah? Boy, I can't believe
So
it.
them money come like a some joke for them bad man. Yo, if man and family they come from foreign and man come out for money and yo, me nah no money I give no man no bad man. Me nah no money I lend no man or I give nobody bad man. Right now look at money now to do my business. And this money I go and make him feel like I'm good to you know bad man. Me want I'm going to tell them want sit them a call bad man for. From they want nothing from self. Right? You know, judge.
Candy. Candy.
Yeah, come there. How you look, so bro?
I don't want to know what to post still.
I don't like how you look. Come in. Come. Come talk to me. Bro, you know say something wrong. Anytime something wrong, you know you come check me and I need you to tell me the truth. So I can understand you. You understand me?
Alright, today I think today was gonna be a great day, but it just turned out to be the worst day to post still. Because I guess I know. I don't know if you remember before a cousin, see, him supposed to lend me a money to start one business. Today Wednesday.
The family begin to tell me which one of them.
Bush Cash.
Oh, that one there, yeah.
Bush Cash. Him saying go lend me some money today. And the man start style me.
How I
And
could
say,
that
boy, money no reach and all these things. I mean, know it's a lie, you know. I know it's a lie, but guess how me know it's a lie? Can you imagine, say, Candy? After me done the conversation with the man, saying, and the man tell me, say, boy, no, he can't give me so and so. The man phone left open, never hang up the phone. And the way man a style me, call me all kind of things, saying, nah, help family and this and that. And I said to myself, say, what could I cause that? I say, hate with so, eh? People who can help with, them really see it as so hard to help with.
Who can land it? I lend him more money and go back for it? Or I beg you to
No,
beg
me
him
ask him for help me if he can start one
So
business.
he tell you say I go give?
Yeah, man, tell me and then the whole he tell me no, he tell me no one way like say expect you Wednesday. I mean I say you sure cuz man say yeah man come in Wednesday. So me I say to myself so alright everything good. So you are going now. Me go borrow my virgin, my same virgin me want borrow car from. See? Me go borrow man car now and drive out and all that tell him man say yo, me when me return, me I go have fully tank of gas. Candy. Not even money me have to can buy like a bag juice I said if correct me thirsty. Me throat all happening right now. You me feel. Can't buy no gas put in a man car. So me no know who me go drive the car go back run off him place and go tell him. My virgin still know. And he tell me all time more clear say me, yo, me and friend. So I'm not thinking to have me up certain way still. But how me see it? Better off like family members only pitch in and help a family member cause me I try ask me family member them for help. They only help you when you're dead.
I true you talk, you know. I true you they talk. Anytime one family member dead out of the family, everybody from foreign and yard are the most money you see them come up with. What food them buy?
Sure.
One bag of cement of how much money, sand, this and that, and then buy. It's like them glad say you're dead. At that time, they spend the most money, family members me they talk. Yeah, them wicked, they not no heart. And when you're alive, you're hungry, you're naked, you not know if you sleep. Nothing for them. If you beg them dollar, then say they no and all when them pocket full of money and it a run over. But make you dead and see. Anywhere the money fi come from, and them a buy the dearest and the prettiest and the hottest casket. What I mean? Casket? This is where people go in.
Anyhow you feel comfortable.
I can't skip me call him, I don't know
Casket,
my name.
biscuit, rasket.
You see, anytime you're dead, at the dearest casket then go by. Just to take out shame out of them eye. If make you no look no way for people not chat nothing about them. But I pity people them no know say. You're dead for a long time, you're sick and in need, end up in a hospital, and even medication they won't buy.
My sister,
How?
you give me one idea. But you don't know, say, me never let you down yet.
What kind of idea you could have? I mean, you see you? No, you know my brother. I hope I don't know dirty, wicked, eat all. Look here. I hope I don't know them the kind of idea they have in your head where you go do now. You know?
Listen, me I said, man.
Okay.
Sure. I will fake it dead.
Eh? Me if you go fix my death, or you are going to
pretend like me dead.
You
I go send the message out.
me
You
send the
call
message.
them.
You pretend like you dead.
So that means me I get more money then. Because I plan between me and you know. So
You
guess what? Me get 80%, you get 20%.
Where?
20% you get, me get 80%.
What time you make you go get it? So you want you
Yeah, because I mean, no, so you want the arrow make you fake it then.
No, me not fake no.
So that you not do
Lord
it.
Jesus.
So,
You fake your dead.
so that Jesus to what me go fake it.
Alright, fake it. It's alright.
So me I get 20%.
Me take it 20% because me and your brother now want business you say you want.
That me I tell you man, and the
understand?
business go benefit me and you. Because 20% when you get just for your pocket and for do whatever you want to do.
No
But
problem.
the 80, come on, I want vaccine I want buy. And I buy the bus. I want to buy one white bus.
So you run it on the road?
I run it on the road.
And get red plate?
No, I'm not going to get red plate because I might just do some Juta tours and something because you have always to make money.
Then if you do the Juta tour, I wish plate for the money.
A white man, but we have to get the thing from the Juta them and we organize. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
That always.
No, my brother, listen to me. Next door neighbor, they love listen people not carefully worse. So you know they don't pretend like you're dead, then chat too much. Listen. You know, say I want good idea that for you. Because you really need the money. I mean, I want to see you suffer up on the road as my brother, you know. Me I go do it, you know. And I bet say the whole of them chunk up money and send it come quick.
Right, guess
because
what?
you're dead.
More me make a bet. Bet you. You bet me? Bet say. At Sherland, I will spend the most money.
How you
spend the most money.
How you know that?
You mean someone know that? You remember me tell us we go by the car and I go sit down and relax yourself?
Up at hotel?
Yeah, and she me ask for the same thing from Bush Cash. But hold on man, relax man. But she said to me say she can't give me no money. Me know say she have money. You understand me? I said because basically she sent food come a hotel come yam food and all of this thing. You understand me? I said, but me see in her eyes say basically she just don't want to help you.
So bro, you tell me say me and you go for the hotel to we cousin and you go behind me back.
No, not behind the back.
Go ask
I'm not behind the back.
we cousin for money. So you ain't go get it.
No, a business.
And no give me none.
No, but a business me
No wonder why you send me over I can. You know say you don't stay so?
No, I'm just want to make it personal. Yourself, man. We not have cause no. Bring no negative in.
Alright, that's like what you tell me.
You understand?
You never see me over there, when you send me over there, me and my food or me I dig out my teeth. That's why me can't hear you over there chat say. The food fast in my teeth. Anyway, me I go call the whole of them.
Candy.
Come we go on and eat this and we can't make nobody see we, you know.
Come.
You want to beat me up, my youth?
No beat up must want to do it fast and done. Take out the sitting man, take out the flavor.
Wait no. You're not even look if nobody are coming.
These are the people.
Hold on there.
Fast, man. Oh, it's cool. It's cool. Cool.
Stop it nice. You're idiot. You're afraid of water.
I know water this.
Me no business. Then water
Coloring.
Stop it nice. Put some on your hand.
I my baker.
Me have to make it dip on your face. You're idiot if you have sense. Action.
What is it?
I hope nobody take you all my money and not give me none, you know.
You don't tell your deal already, man. So make you go. No, put no more for me. No one no more.
Yes, man. Blood. You have to make it look real. And money we want to buy a big vehicle, you know.
The blood of Jesus against you.
That's nice. Blood of Jesus now against you.
Alright.
So we have to do to get money from family when not like help people when they
No.
No blood of the pan make it look real. You idiot. You know something not like how you stay.
Look funny. Yeah, right, man.
Put some on your hand, make it look real. Your watch can wash off. Tap wipe it off. We the wipe off if remember say me have to go take picture and show the people.
Them something I know you talk about.
Then I first me I do it too.
No, but you sound like a professional. Come, wait.
There's a first in everything. Then you alright now?
You know most alright now. A picture.
Put some out in your mouth like say then lick it in your mouth to the come. Bow!
See you look like a
Come, put some in your mouth, cause
man in my mouth.
Yes, nothing handy your feet out. Nothing the teeth there, I then use make put in a cake, you know, you have much time make it drip down like a soap.
Drip down, that's true.
Sure, you idiot boy. You have to make it look real, you don't want money.
Wait.
Lay down, panic
Yes,
down.
me a lay down.
Lay down now. When you not lie down, lay down quick and fast now before you make push. Watch me, you want Kara come, hurry up. Lie down, you can wash your head after.
Right.
Just lay down.
Take a picture.
Tapping eyes now, tapping eyes.
So,
Just lay down like that. You don't know when somebody dead, lay down like somebody dead. Long out your tongue, anyhow you want to put it. More than me know me, I take a picture and then have to see it. Wait, hold on.
Video.
How me fi set this same thing I know? Come on, and see it for real, you know. Or so me fi go in front of you, go take it. Wait. Or, wait. Bush then crutch. Like a coach over here. Turn eyes. Me I go right up where car them there, this one. In the pit. They can't leave me. Right here, so. How much? How much I feel? Alright, hold on. Thanks. Scores! Bushkash!
Yo, who that?
Corn.
Yo, what go on?
Then kill me brother, then kill your cousins. Christ.
Yo,
Cause
I'm to your cuz.
then kill me brother, then kill off your cousins.
Sure, Jack,
Me don't know if
yo,
I'm
come
killing
here.
himself or them kill him, but me see blood on him. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, sir. Go on. I don't believe it. You know, hear me, I say, yo, calm down. Hear me, I say, see?
Can't take it, me
Yo,
weak,
hear me, I say, no, man.
No, cause God know. Me don't know how me I go bury him.
Hear me, I say, cuz, calm down. Take a hold of yourself. Just hold on. Hear me, I say.
Wait.
Relax.
Can't
Tell
take
me
it
what
no
go on.
more,
Tell me
boy.
what go on. What?
Want someone?
What?
No, me can't take it.
When dead?
Then kill off my brother. Then
When
kill
dead?
him. Me no know. Me see him blood up. Him dead. Him dead.
You sure say him?
And him, me must know my brother. We come out of the same mother. We ain't your cousin, Lord Jesus Christ. We don't know me. Then kill him now. Then kill my brother.
Hear me, calm down. Hear me, I say, no, then. Yo, everything are good, man. You have to just
Oh,
get together
everything
to
for
sort
good
out.
in life gone. Me can't give him back. You go give him for your life.
Yo, hear me, I say.
God
Hear me, I
help
say,
me,
cuz.
please. Me I beg you.
Cuz,
You have to go help
cuz.
me bury him, please.
You see what me can do, see?
Oh God, please. How
You
much
see
money
what
you
me can do.
have?
Just calm down with the ball.
Please,
Relax with
please.
the ball.
Me go want steal black and sun.
We no want any about them.
Oh
We have a
God.
business. You know. Yes,
Oh
me I
God,
say.
please, me I beg you.
Yo, what really go on? What go on?
Then kill off my brother.
Eh?
Yes, him dead. Me see whole line blood up. Me no know how me I go bury him. You have no money can help me.
I really have no money, but I forgot to do something for me, you know.
You don't believe me? Me show you him. See him there. See him there down there, so.
Really?
Yes.
I don't believe it, doggy. Oh, man, tell you,
You
yo.
have to go help me out. You don't have no money. Because
Alright,
I
yeah, I go.
only family me have me can
Yeah,
come to know
see?
for money.
I jump in the car, I go to the machine and drop a piece of money.
Right now?
I can't believe say dog.
Hurry up and come, because me don't know what me I go do. You only family. Me don't have nobody else to ask.
Listen, me go get my key and come.
Hurry up. Me I go wait for you out there. So. Indeed, I suffer too much. I'm one brother. Hurry up and drive money. Me can't believe I just will want to bury him and get rid of the pressure. Me can't take it no more, I swear. Oh God. Mm. You left it back. You can't come out with so much money in front of the public. Nah, hear what me I say. Now take you this. Why you fix? Don't give me so much money in my hand in front of so much people. So me have it hard already figure bury my brother. Say little money. How why you not get no money in your machine?
In case anything, I don't know. No, just link me back. I'm trying.
All right, thanks, good. Thanks. All right, me can take you by some black and some cement. Come on, drop me back out the road. Hello, cuz. Sherlan. She not hear me. She not hear me. Me call her again.
You can happy.
No, man. You see, man, can't tell nobody answer me face. I ball me a ball and make she delete. Hello, Sherlan. Cuz. Cuz. Then kill public. Yes. For true, then kill him. Me no know what him do. Me just go find him dead. The whole line close blood up all him mouth everywhere. Yes. And me no know what me I go do because me no have no money to bury him. You don't have no money can help we. Please me and beg you because me no have nobody else to turn to. Sherland, do it for even one time in your life. Just try and help me, please. All the while me and public used to call and ask if you give me one money when he did a life and you never give me. You tell me say you don't have it. Look how much years that. You must have it now can help me, Sherland. Please me and beg you. If I have to buy little cement and block and stone. Plus me have to go pay the man them we are going to do grave digging. Please me and beg you. What you say? Maybe stop crying. Why? You are going to send the money? Yes, hurry up and send it to MoneyGram or Western. Eh? You don't deal with MoneyGram. Send it straight to Western Union. And you see when you send it, just send the information and make me go collect it, please. Thank you very much, man. Me go send a picture of them come here, make you see and lie me I tell. God love me, man. Alright, me I go top ball. You go send it now? Alright, Western Union and say thanks. Oh God, my brother dead. Alright then, call me back. You know what money is saying I go send? That Cameron Mary too dead. I forget the boss to do the Juta tour, my brother. Them too wicked as family.
Remember I bet?
Hey, you go buy the Juta tour?
Yes. One night, it's true.
Not like that one, babe.
You come here see about boss.
You chat about care, yeah, idiot. You want a bigger thing, my youth. Hold more people, you make more money.
You don't like the black one, man. Black one,
Oh. White a good color.
yeah. Candy seat, you know?
Like,
Seat.
yeah, you take that one there?
Candy seat, candy.
Yeah, I like it. Look good.
What about things on my vehicle?
Mm-hmm.
Candy. Got a vehicle in?
Tell us I like it.
The money in the bag?
Of course,
Everything.
yeah, all I money in my bag. You want me to show you?
No,
I like
come,
it.
come. No, expose it. I like it.
Hi.
Hello. Come. Candy, come in, man. You take so long. Turn up over this, turn up this one. My son to catch me. Video me, sir. Video me. Oh, no, we are waste time for. Ready. Video me. Yes, I'm going to catch.
Wait, let me wipe off this screen. It kind of...
You just all move to waste time, man.
Bro, where you going, so? Let me just... Hold on, man.
Okay, dusty, though. Very rough. Ready?
No, wait.
Cry, mad candy. Ready now? You ready? Make sure your video, you know. And a picture you take. Have it?
Look, so. Go on, talk now.
All right. Yes, good day, good morning to some of your family members who will be happy to see me. Some sad. You know what I mean? Yeah, I am here, I'm alive, I'm not dead. But at the end of the day, I want to send this message to all the family members. Thank you very much for sending all the money so that I can start my business, right? This is the vehicle that me had to, well, call it what you want to call it, had to do to get my vehicle. You see what I go on now? In this life, it's so sad, say, only when you're dead, you get money. You understand? Only when you're dead, you can get a little help. And see that? I want to thank you. You understand? And guess what now? You see, anytime when you come from foreign, you can still call me. Because guess what? This vehicle is here for you just the same way. So if you come from foreign, you don't have to call taxi and all these things. I can help you and assist you, all right? So this is the Juta business I wanted to start. Imagine me asking if you help me. You don't want to help me. I will me dead guy now, no send kind of this, roses and all this and that. And then say, boy, all right, who spend the most money? So, Candy, say, who spend the most money? I bet you say that same person.
No worry about that, no worry about that, no worry about that.
You. But guess what? Thank you, family members. I am not dead. I am alive and well. And this bus that I started my business is courtesy of you guys, right? So I want to thank you very much. But guess what? If you stop going so, stop wait until people are dead before they send money. Don't scatter roses when they're gone. You understand me? I say help them out. Because not everybody just want to get little money and yam some food. Some people want to start business. See it here? So as me said before, when you come from foreign and you want somebody to pick up, Uno can call me. All right? I thank you very much. Make sure you say, you record good, you know. You record good? Candy, me say if you record good.
Shut up your mouth, you have to record.
Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.
Right.
Let me see.
Okay.
What go on, Richie?
I'm there, everything good?
Everything not good enough. Now your friend public Richie, him not do nothing for the youth.
Charger. You know, the public to me, not come off as a type of person. Some wouldn't expect him now, mind the youth. But I'm going to talk to him, man. Don't worry yourself, not talk to him.
Richie, you need to talk to him because I don't understand why him not take care of him one little pit where him get. Richie, are your best friend. You need to talk to him, man.
Boy, mom, that not sound good. Because the man just buy bus, plan for run all Jota.
What? Me not. I say a friend did wicked, man. All right. Me link you up here.
All right, mama, that's all right.
Yeah.
Talk to him.
All right. Public. Public, baby.
What kind of cause is that? Everything all right? Is sun too hot pain head or something?
Pitney need in life in a boo.
Let me tell you this. The last time I see a car wash and the way you deal with me like some insignificant animal, right? And you come here now with this sweet talk in public, baby. You lick your head. You drop on the way coming in. You're smiling, but it's alright. Come in and understand what is for now. No. Talk to me.
See, I have responsibility.
Me go deal with my responsibility. You understand? I'm gonna always contribute. My thing is to always make sure so my baby alright. Which is my daughter alright.
So, babes, when I see a bike car.
Okay. Notice something up in the Father Jesus!
You know, remember your little youth we have responsibilities, you know?
Hold on, Mr. step out nice son up in there. Is sun too hot for your head or something? So I choose me by bus. You run come in. Let me tell you this. Me and you can never. As I come out in the hot sun, this sun burn me. Me and you can never get back together and we'll never get back together. And you say because no, stay right there. Because me up little bit, you come go and like say you feel like you want to run in and come drop me down.
Yeah.
When me never have nothing, where you there?
Come.
When the car wash thing now work, I'm more like a support. Where you there? You not give me support. So when me buy bus now you want to come in, you know how me get bus? You know how bus come? Listen to me. You take your time and walk down where you go.
So, babe,
Have a touching, man.
so when me can go and say, remember them time when me used to suck salt through with the spoon?
No suck around here. Me no understand what you say. Me no know them thing there. Mali.
Public.
Mali.
Me no name Molly again, Amanda my name.
Amanda your name.
Stop.
Me know Mali. Alright. Mali, Manda, whatever the case may be. Listen, it not gonna work, it will never work, it can't work. Make sure me pitney. Which one pitney right now, by the way?
Maybe she there upon my sister.
Sister. Fear sister. Fear sister left.
So what wrong with my sister?
Who always a walk with left everything. Porridge upon fire, she walk out left. Hey, listen to me, man. Go on for me pitney and make sure I'm pitney alright. You are what?
Baby, I'm going to give and take.
Give and take. I'm going to give you a message and I am going to take myself away. Here, have a wonderful day. See the part there?
So we can't come later, babe.
Follow the rhythm and take for yourself. Out order. My boss. You know how boss come? You know how boss come? Take your time and go on. Thank you, Father, your cross is out of my life.
You know me, I say Miss Love Entertainment presents the 23rd Mother's Day celebration. And you don't know, say that one had the red carpet event, you know. And you don't know, say the elegant edition. When May the 13th, and you don't know, say 2023. Which part that I keep? must know say in LA, California. I'm not talk about Manchester, Upper Galderville. Me talk about Manchester, LA, California. And you don't know, right now the admission for forwarding, $30 the gate, $20 pre-sold. You see me I say, so remember, you know, the 13th of May, I want to roll out and stroll out and support the red carpet event here. Mother's Day celebration. Big up all the mothers them in the world. Who love mama put up on the hand, that one you got shot. All boots point to where? Mother's Day celebration, 23rd.
All right, thank you guys for watching as always. It's 2023 and it is the first movie for the year. I wanted to say thank you to everybody that stayed with us for the entirety of last year and coming over to the brand new year. We know we're going to have some new subscribers, we're going to have some new family members, some new people who love what we are doing. So continue to support. If you have ever contributed financially to what we are doing, thank you very much. If you have ever just take the time out to share the content with somebody else on your WhatsApp status, on your Facebook, thank you. And please remember, share it up again if you did. All right, so we want to say also thank you for the persons them who showed interest in what we're doing and link us up sometime and say, all right, we want to come in the movie. Sometimes we can't use everybody. We have to pick and choose because, you know, at the end of the day, we have to take in consideration, say, we have to feed people, we have to accommodate them, and we have to give them a stipend at the end of the month. So we have to take all of that into consideration. So it's very hard to do what we do. Before we go though, I want to say big up to Dr. Jack. And if you're interested in getting his product, we're going to put the link on the channel. We'll put the flyer up so you guys can see where you can get in contact with him. He provides pills, and I'm going to talk about herbal stuff, no other type of pill, herbal stuff, where you can take, enhance your sexual performance, and also for the persons who eat up all of the junk throughout the year and want to detox them body, he has some good pills that can help you to do that. And also, remember, we're going to advertise one party we are going somewhere in a foreign. So please look out for that. So big up to yourself and continue to support what we do. And if you want to reach out to me personally and have a one-on-one chat, whether it is a case that you want to help financially or you just love the movie and you want to just tell me say you love it, link me up on Instagram, Richard Brown Films, and do that. Alright? Big up on yourself, and we're going to put in the work for the new year. Yeah, man. One wipe off.
I think that is a phone, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, that's why I have D-Nice for you.
You have the nice up on the mic?
Yeah.
Alright, just wait up here.
Just wait up here and start one shot.
Yeah. So now you know. Yeah. You go walk come in, get the baby. So when you walk come in, when you give me that awful type of walking, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, like yeah. So when you walk come in, no. Come on, so you're here now. So when you walk come in, baby. Where are you? A man, that's a man. A man. Nah, woman, in tough man. That's that boy. So walk come in now. So when you walk come in, you tell me my name change. Molly my name. You know what I'm saying? Right. So we make them know that all have it. So now when you come in, you turn up your ask him, Amanda. What you want? What you really want? Then you can scan it.
You can send me like it. That's the first thing. All that money in my bag. I want to show you all like it. Hey.
Alright, good. We're not showing tonight, man. We're not showing tonight, man. I just walk around.
Now let's walk in.
Yeah, you're right, man. Yeah, you're ready after, man. I think.
You're going to shoot? No.
No, man. Let's walk around.
Alright, so big up on yourself and thank you guys for always watching. Right now, the scene we just do at the car wash was courtesy of Mendez Car Wash. So if you're in the Petersfield area and you need a nice car wash for wash your car and make sure your thing proper, just link Mendez, man, right on the Petersfield main road. You see me? Just make the link, get a car wash. I want to say thank you to him for giving the opportunity for us come film that one scene here. So big up on yourself, alright? Alright, so you don't know. As we done telling you from earlier with the hotel, yeah, we can't really film everything because you know we go already. We can't film myself. So when we do get a chance, public get one look at me. Meanwhile, I go and chat and sit. So as you can see, if you never come a Rick's Carlton yet, Hyatt Ziva, See it, I know. Well, pretty and sitting. So we are going inside. Me look like tourists. Tell me if me look like tourists. Me look like tourists. If me look like tourists, well, you don't know it already. When you see a Jamaican, you know a Jamaican, you know.